Imagine two companies selling the same pair of shoes. One talks about materials, cushioning, and durability. The other shows an athlete pushing through pain, failing, getting back up, and finally winning, ending with just three words: just do it. Which one stays in your mind? The second one. Not because of the shoe, but because of the feeling. This is the power of emotional branding, and no company has mastered it better than Nike. Nike understood early on that people don't just buy products, they buy identity, motivation, and belief. Instead of focusing on technical features, Nike built its entire brand around human emotions like ambition, determination, and resilience. Their campaigns don't sell shoes, they tell stories about overcoming challenges and achieving greatness. This emotional connection makes the brand far more powerful than any product feature ever could. The famous slogan, "Just do it," is one of the strongest examples of this strategy. It's simple, memorable, and universal. It doesn't matter whether someone is a professional athlete or just starting their fitness journey. The message applies to everyone. This is what makes Nike's positioning so effective. It speaks directly to the mindset of people who want to push themselves and improve. Nike also uses storytelling and association to strengthen its emotional impact. By partnering with athletes like Michael Jordan, Serena Williams, and Cristiano Ronaldo, Nike connects its brand with excellence and success. When people see these athletes wearing Nike, they associate the brand with high performance and achievement. This is a powerful form of social influence and aspirational marketing. Another important aspect of Nike's strategy is consistency. Whether it's advertisements, social media campaigns, or product launches, the message remains the same. Push your limits, believe in yourself, and keep going. This consistency builds strong brand equity, where the brand itself carries emotional meaning and trust. Nike's success shows that emotions drive decisions more than logic. People may justify their purchase with features and price, but the real reason they choose a brand is often how it makes them feel. By connecting with customers on an emotional level, Nike turned a simple product like shoes into a symbol of effort, identity, and personal growth. The lesson is clear: the most powerful brands don't just sell products, they create feelings and meaning. When a company can connect with people emotionally, it builds loyalty that competitors struggle to break. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore another global case study, Coca-Cola, and how it built one of the strongest brands in the world through emotional connection and consistency.